Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss how to fix Instagram freezing issues on your Android phone. If Instagram is freezing frequently or crashing constantly, worry not. There are a few things you can try to resolve the problem effectively. Let's go through some simple solutions to fix Instagram freezing on Android. First, force stop the Instagram app. This closes all running processes, preventing further freezing or crashes. Go to Settings, Apps, and Notifications. Find Instagram and tap Force Stop. Confirm stopping the app. Force stopping refreshes Instagram and fixes any software bugs causing instability. If issues continue, clear the app cache next. This deletes temporary files using extra storage and preventing proper functioning. Go to Settings, Apps, and Notifications, Instagram, Storage and Cache, clear cache and confirm. Clearing the cache frees up space and resets the app to default settings. Should Instagram still freeze after cache clearing, delete app data. This removes all content, accounts, filters, and profiles associated with the app. Be sure to back up important information first. Go to Settings, Apps, and Notifications, Instagram, Storage and Cache, clear storage and confirm deleting the data. As a final step, update Instagram to the latest version. Outdated software can often lead to freezing, crashing, and other bugs. Updates patch vulnerabilities and improve stability. Open the Google Play Store, tap the menu icon, My Apps and Games, find Instagram and tap Update. Wait for the update to complete installing for the best results. Updating Instagram should fix freezing issues if other solutions do not work. If problems persist after trying all options, there may be an underlying software or hardware issue requiring servicing. In summary, if Instagram freezes frequently on your Android phone, try stopping the app, clearing app cache, deleting app data, or updating Instagram software. Take time with each solution to ensure full resolution of the problem before moving on to the next step. We hope this helped fix Instagram freezing on your device. Please contact us via comments, email, or messaging if any other assistance is needed. Your device usage enjoyment is our priority. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Let me know if any questions remain or other video topics interest you. I am here to help explain Android features and assist with technical difficulties. Stay safe and happy viewing.